Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on a training and we'll jump into the qualification for a hit called Is the result reasonable given user query? It sounds grammatically incorrect for me that it, but rather unfortunately, it is the name of this hit. This is the English version. You'll be able to see a Jap and Indonesian version of this, but most of the training questionnaires, when I took it, they are pretty similar. So this one should be easy. It's just a yes or no answer. I do have the guidelines with me on the right monitor. I hope you all can see it. But I don't want to go through this, but it should be just easy to understand. Um, Let me just show you on how I work on it, and I'll try to explain as much as I can. So moving on to the training, it is Petland. So we have to check the primary website for this particular query, Petland. So that is a good match. It is going to be a yes. Crescent Theater, uh, Regal Cinemas. Hold on here. That's Crescent Theater. Showtimes at Crescent Theater. They are definitely different, so it is going to be a no. Animal Humane Society, Minnesota. Um, you can click on this one. But what I do is I read this one and issued from, and for queries like this, they are really general. They don't have well, not general rather, but specific because they would have the state like Minnesota. So for this one, this is Humane Society, Minnesota. This is Animal Humane Society as well, and the address is within or in Minnesota. So it is going to be a primary, I mean, rather a yes. Uh, Shallow Boca, that's general. It is going to be a yes. Fabulux, it is going to be a yes as well. This is a phone number. This is a telephone number, most likely. You can Google it to find out which business it is. So it is 3D Diagnostics. If you look at the answer, it is 3D Diagnostics as well, but they have a different phone number. But upon verifying it, they are one business. So for this one, I hope I'm not mistaken, but I'll go with yes. We got it right. Now, does El Loro have take put? This is an incorrect query, but I'm guessing from myself it is going to be have takeout. So El Loro Mexican restaurant, you can just click the primary website. Common sense, it is going to be a yes. Moving on to the next is 7810 Traint Way 77040. This is going to be an address of a business. And this is the answer. Walmart Supercenter. If you look at the address, it has a different one, so it is going to be a no. Auto Rider Mumbai. Auto Rider International Limited. The address is Marg. It is in Mumbai. Most likely, it is valid. It is a correct answer, so it's a yes. Tarzana Hair Extension Plus. Tarzana, let's pull this up. Maybe it's a business. Nope, it isn't. Tarzana is, I'm not sure what is it. Maybe it's a location. Extension Plus. But I would give this one as a yes answer. Maybe I'm wrong. I doubt myself, but I'll go with yes. But let me click on this one. Okay, it's a no. Again, the name of the business. This one was is specific, Tarzana, and this one is just Extension Plus. I don't know what happened there. Maybe I got confused or whatever. I'm doing many things at the same time, talking to you and answering questions on my mobile phone. Imagine that. Moving on is Mount Sinai. Definitely, it is a yes. Moving on to the next is Dermatology Associates. Boston, Massachusetts. Brooklyn. This is going to be a yes. Moving on to Saint Margaret, Saint John V. This is going to be a. I think it's a yes as well. I'm not sure. Yeah, it is. China Village Restaurant, China Village. That is a match, perfect match. California, California. Those are the stuffs that I look at. Dermatology associates, rather too general, but this one is named after name as Dermatology Associates of Concord as well, so it's a yes. Crescent Theater, that's is definitely a no. That's a specific, but the answer is a different theater house or theater movie house. University of Louisville Emergency Room. This is going to be a yes. Dr. Mary Brown, Emma Emma Carey Brown. This is a yes. Oh wait, I think it's a no. Let's see. I want to make. Yeah, it is a no. U.S. launch Raleigh, North Carolina. This is going to be a yes. Raleigh is a location. U.S. launch is here. This is the location. But do not forget to click on these two buttons before you can submit it. I don't know how to say this. Vidant Greenville. This is a match. Look at the name of the business and the address as well. It matches, so it's a yes. This is the I mean, this is the training mode, not the qualification. GM Holdings. That's again a yes. I don't need to further expand on my explanation. Sam's Auto. That's definitely okay. Sam's Auto and Sam's Club. These are two different entities, so it's a no for me. Yeah. Let me go back here. I think we are done with uh, the training. We'll move on to the qualification. Is the result reasonable given? I think this one 20 hits to finish it up. This is going to be fast, guys. Please do capture a screenshot. HCA Springfield, Tennessee. That's going to be a no. Henry Ford Allegiance. That's a yes. Alligator Joe's Restaurant. Yes, a yes. Moorhead Public School. It's a yes. This is going to be a yes as well. Purchase. This is going to be a no. Palette. That's going to be a no. Dr. Macmo Pueblo. That's definitely a no. A different. That's a doctor. And the result was a restaurant. Pacifica House. That's definitely a yes. Michigan State University. Definitely a yes. I'm confident we are going to pass this. This is going to be a bad match, so it's a no. A1 Appliance Parts. A1. They are definitely different, so that's a no. Chamash Painted Cave. Yeah, it's a yes. Hilltop Place. Definitely a yes. Monroe. That's definitely a yes. Art and Speed. That is a yes. AGS Chandelier. That's a yes. 710 Trained Way. Let's pull this up. It's an address. This might show a business different from Cinemark, Turtletown. So that is going to be a no. I'm stuttering. I'm sorry. CNM New Mexico. Yeah, that's definitely a yes. One more hit to pass. Dura Clean. That's definitely a yes. Let's see how this one will go. We passed the qualification. Again, it is Is the result reasonable given user query English version? My name is Ghost. I hope this video helps you out. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. And we also have a Facebook group called Ghost Clickworker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. For you to join, you have to subscribe to the channel first and then answer the membership questions before we can approve your request. Again, my name is Ghost. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.